Today you find me in front of Jhargram Rajbari, the new building which was built in 1931 under the reign of Narasimha Dev Mollo, Raja Narasimha Dev Mollo, who ruled this place till 1954. He was a member of the parliament, and in 1954 his powers were taken away. But till then he was ruling this place. You see the lovely building which is yellow in color and matches with the color of the path, which is also creamy, and the structure is Gothic and Italianate, and it is a sprawling building. The ground floor has been given for a homestay for visitors, but at the background there is the old building which is about 350 years. All of you in good health. Can you guess where I am tonight? Actually, I am in the Jhargram Palace in Jhargram, West Bengal, and I am walking on the ground floor corridor of the palace, which is actually a hotel and a homestay for visitors who come to visit the palace. And you see in front of me there is a lawn, a very well kept lawn and garden where there are different flowers and trees, and extremely well kept area which is fascinating to see even in the dark. On my right now there is a very old mirror. This mirror is made of teak wood, and it reflects the bygone days of the Rajas. And everywhere in this palace, actually, what you will find is a combination of the modern and the ancient. But in this combination, a lot of classiness and a lot of aristocratic flavor can be found, especially in the way the pillars are laid out on the corridors and how the chairs and tables are kept. And I am walking now along the corridor in front of the garden, and this makes me show you the corridor, the entire corridor, and there are a number of, deer and buffalo statues, which I suppose are emblems of royalty and signs of the past, especially the deer horns that are there all along the corridor. So now, friends, I will now show you the my room, which is room number 103, and the room is called Mayuk. As you can see, my room is called Mayuk, and it's 103. And now I will enter my room. So welcome, friends, to my room, which is called Mayuk, and it's indeed a very classy room. So please come in and see where I am going to stay for the next 2 nights. I will be here, and when you come in, at once you see how the ancient and the modern have been combined, because you see in the center there is a bed, a double bedded bed with a light lamp and mirrors and writing table. When we enter, on my left is a modern TV, a place to tear tea or to have some snacks. There are almirahs all around the place. There's a sofa here, a very large sofa, where a number of people can sit and chat and talk. And behind the sofa you see a mysterious door. Above the ceiling is beautifully done. Of course it's a modern addition because the whole place, as you know, was built during the time of Narasimha Mollodev, and he reconstructed the old building, And you see there are a number of pictures and portraits here of the Ranis, ancient Ranis, and this adds to the mysterious atmosphere of this large room. As we move from the sofa towards the washroom, there is another teak wood mirror which is here in front of me. There's another teak wood mirror, beautifully decorated, and the washroom leads to another apartment. Washroom leads to another apartment which has a mirror and another dressing table. After this, there are more almirahs here, and there's another portrait of one of the Ranis right in the back of our pillows. And to say the least, there is a beautiful statue, a beautiful bronze statue of a soldier, which I think is iconic to the entire palace, because as we know, the man who founded the entire Maulodeb dynasty was called Sarveshwar Singh, and Sarveshwar Singh was the founder of the dynasty, and when he got the Subedari of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa from Man Singh of Amer, he helped to build this dynasty.